Right, so this is the just checking the clearance on Iggy's old gearbox. 0.4 is just starting to get snug. Ideally it needs to be about 0.3. By 0.5 it's too big a clearance, so this is really like upper limit. We need to bring it down by 0.1, so it's just a matter of changing either the top or the bottom shims and trying to get the gearbox central to the cruciform, and we only need to add 0.1 to one of these shims. Should be easy enough. So we've established that we need to put a 1.1mm bigger shim in there by measuring the clearance beforehand. Now we've just got to get the circlip off. It's going to behave. There we go. And we need to measure that top shim. Oh, it's a video. I thought you were doing stills. I was waiting for it to go click. Right, okay, so we measured the bottom shim. The bottom shim's 1.25. What was that? Let's get it on, probably. No, that's not. It's not that. 1.25 it is. Yeah. So, but we need to change the gear. So we're gonna have to we're just gonna have to reassemble the gearbox with a different gear, and then we'll try re-shimming afterwards. So we've got to change the cruciform. The ends is not too bad on this one, just a little bit chipped. But it's a reverse thread to get this undone. There we go. The quality of these rods tends to vary, not always good quality. So that's fine. Right, the old style PX will have a little shim washer underneath there. Everything EFL afterwards won't, so it's just a matter of finding the position where this will turn around and then rotate to remove. And that's the BGM one that we're going to put in, so you can see that the corners are all square. So throw that away. And obviously reverse thread, undo is do up. Okay, that's tight. That moves freely, which is good. Right, okay, so we're assembling this with all this old original Piaggio gears, apart from this BGM short, which is a 36 tooth. Been told we should really run 35 tooth because it's stronger, it's got a wider root at the gear, but with the primary drive that we've got at the moment, we haven't got that option, so we need a closer fourth, and this is the one that's going in. So it blows up, it's not my fault. So second gear, no, that's third gear, second gear and first gear. And then we'll put the BGM 1mm shim on the top. And the circlip. That's nice and a bit tighter, that is. So we'll try, first of all, get a 0.25 in there. Oh, that's quite snug, so that might be what we're on. I'll do one on the other side so it's actually balanced, because obviously if you do it otherwise the shim can tip a little bit, so you need to do both sides really. It's about that. It's about 0.25, which is perfect on for target really, what we're after. I'm sure if I go up to 0.3, let's see if I can get that in. Snug. There's a little slot, you can just get the thing underneath. It's better to do it, measure I think between the gear and the shim than it is between the shim and the circlip, because the circlips tend to be a bit wavy, whereas the shim and the gear are very flat, and that's starting to firm up now. Try a 0.4. That's really tight now. So yeah, about 0.3 I think it is, so happy with that.